Okay, I want you to try this next one by yourself. Okay, then we'll talk about it. 556 divided by 2. Follow the steps. See if you can do it. Pause me. See if you can do it. Okay, did you get an answer? Let's see if it's the right answer. Here we go. First step, divide. 2 goes into 5. How many times? 2 times. Next step, multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Next step, subtract and bring down. 6 take away nothing is 6. 5 take away nothing is 5. 5 take away 4 is 1. Okay. How many times does 2 go into 15? Because 2 can't go into 1, so 2 go into 15. Well, I know it goes 7 times into 14, so I'm going to do that. 7. 7 times by 2 is 14. Okay, now I'm going to subtract and bring down. So the 6 is going to come down. 5 take away 4 is 1, and that's just nothing. Okay, start over. 16 divided by 2, or how many times does 2 go into 16? 8 times. 8 times, 8 times 2 is 16. Now I subtract. We did it. 278. Did you get 278? Hopefully. All right, here's our next one. 100 divided by 4. Here we go. Start with divide. Okay, does 4 go into 1? No. Does 4 go into 10? Or 10 divided by 4? Well, I know it can go in 2 times. So now we multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract and bring down. Bring the 0 down. 10 take away 8 is 2. Okay, now we start over. 4 goes into 20, or 20 divided by 4 is 5. That one's easy. Next step, multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract. 0. So 100 divided into 4 groups is 25. All right. Okay, let's do this next one. 44 divided by 4. Here we go. Divide. 4 goes into 4. We can just do that first number how many times? 1 time. Now we multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. Now we subtract and bring down. Bring the 4 down. 4 take away 4 is 0. Start over. Divide. How many times does 4 go into 4? Or what's 4 divided by 4? 1. Next multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract. So 44 divided into 4 groups is 11. Okay, I want you to try this one by yourself. Are you ready? 932 divided by 4. Try it by yourself. Pause me. Did you get an answer? Let's do it. First step, divide. 4. Can 4 go into 9? It sure can. How many times? 2 times, right? So 2 times it can go into 9. Now multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we subtract and we bring down. So let's bring this 2 down. Bring this 3 down. 9 take away 8 is 1. Okay, start over, divide. Can 4 go into 1? No, 1 divided by 4, no. Can 4 go into 13? Yep. So 4 goes into 13. Or 13 divided by 4 is how many times? It's not going to go evenly, but it can go into 12. How many times can it go into 12? 3 times. So let's put the 3 up here. 3 times 4 is 12. Next, subtract and bring down. Bring this 2 down. 3, take away 2 is 1. Okay, first step, divide. 12 divided by 4, or how many times can 4 go into 12? How many times? 4 times. 4 times. 3 times, right? Now we multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract and bring down 0. So we're done. Okay. One more. You ready? Try this one on your own. 168 divided by 8. Try it on your own. Pause me. Okay, did you get an answer? Let's see if it's right. Okay, first step, divide. Can 8 go into 1 or 1 divided by 8? No. Can 8 go into 16? Yeah. So 16 divided by 8 or 8 goes into 16 how many times? 2 times. Next step, multiply. 2 times 8 equals 16. Next step, subtract. Next step, bring down. Bring the 8 down. And then this is just 0. Okay? 8 goes into 8. How many times? Once. Multiply. 1 times by 8 equals 8. Subtract. Did you get 21? I hope so. Okay. Grab your index cards. And we are actually only going to use 8 of them. Sorry. Okay. I want you to write this down on your first one, okay? 360 divided by 9. Pause me if you need to. The next one, 828 divided by 6. 243 divided by 9. 791 divided by 6. Okay, so those are your 4 problems. Now here's your answers. 27, write that on a new index card. 131, remainder 5. 138. And 40. So you're going to do these problems in your journal, and then you're going to try to match them up with your answers, okay? Okay, have fun.